Hey, want to know a secret? The future is happening right now. There are robots, flying cars, and smart machines all around us. Can you believe it? And there's one superpower that helps you be part of it. It's called STEM. That means science, technology, engineering, and math. You use STEM every day. It's what builds video games, designs rockets, and even grows food without soil. Isn't that awesome? From Alexa talking back, to self-driving cars, to astronauts living in space. It's all powered by STEM. But wait, some of us think STEM is too hard. I used to think that too. But I started with small experiments. And it got easier and easier. And now I've even built a Mars Rover model. How cool is that? You can do it too. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Try Lego robotics, coding apps, or a simple science kit. You're never too young to start learning STEM. I love art too. And when you mix art plus STEM, you get STEAM. That's where the real magic happens. So if you want to build the future, learn STEM. You can be the person who solves climate change or builds a robot to help your grandma or discovers a new planet. Imagine all the amazing things you could invent, like a teleportation device or a cure for sickness or even a robot dog that can fetch your slippers. It's not hard. Just start small and your future will be huge. This is Elsa, Leo Scientist. If I can do it, so can you? Let's build the future together.